Today, we will hit the basics about the gut. What is it? Why is it important? How to know if your gut is healthy or unhealthy, conditions caused by an unhealthy gut, and simple ways to support your gut health. In the future, we will get down to the nitty-gritty of what may be causing your gut problems and what you can do to heal your gut. We will start with answering the question, what is the gut? The gut is just another word for the digestive system. The digestive system has hollow and solid organs. So the hollow organs are all the parts of the body from where food enters the body to where it eventually leaves the body as poop. It all starts with the mouth, where you chew the food and mix it with saliva. This starts the digestion process of breaking down the food. When we swallow, it goes into the esophagus, which is a tube that transports the food from the mouth to the stomach. Once it hits the stomach, it mixes up the food with enzymes to start breaking it down. Then it leaves the stomach to go into the small intestine where you absorb nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. From there, it moves into the large intestine. The large intestine houses a large portion of your microbiome. The bacteria that make up the microbiome are responsible for things like producing vitamin K and multiple B vitamins. The large intestine also absorbs excess water and forms the stool prior to it leaving the body. Last but not least, the anus is the muscle that allows us to control our bowel movements and let the stool pass into the toilet. It also keeps us from pooping our pants when it isn't a good time to poop. The solid organs include the liver, which makes and secretes bile, filters blood, removes toxins and wastes. The pancreas, which produces enzymes to help digest and metabolize the food you eat, and the gallbladder, which stores and concentrates bile from the liver. Bile is important for breaking down fats into fatty acids your body can use for important processes like energy, thinking, memory, learning, forming cell membranes, skin health, hormone production, and so much more. Why is gut health important? The importance of gut health extends far beyond digestion. Gut health plays a crucial role in almost every aspect of health. Just to name a few, the gut is responsible for digestion and nutrient absorption. It does this by breaking down the food you eat and absorbing the nutrients your body needs to function. Poor gut health can lead to malabsorption, nutrient deficiencies, and various digestive issues like acid reflux, bloating, gas, constipation, and diarrhea. It is also critical for immune function. Did you know that around 70% of your immune system is located in your gut? A healthy gut helps regulate immune responses, protecting you from infections, diseases. When gut health is compromised, it can lead to a weakened immune system and increase susceptibility to illnesses. The gut also impacts our mental health. It is known as the second brain, and the bacteria in the gut produces neurotransmitters like serotonin, which influences mood and mental well-being. This is linked to mental health challenges like anxiety and depression. The gut and the brain also communicate closely by way of the vagus nerve. The gut affects your metabolism. Your gut bacteria can affect whether or not you feel hungry and how much your food is stored as fat. Your energy and cellular function are influenced by a healthy gut's ability to extract nutrients from food needed for energy and healthy cells. Hormones like estrogen, progesterone, cortisone, and other hormones are influenced by the gut microbiome. The gut provides a barrier that prevents pathogens from entering the bloodstream. Poor gut health has been associated with many chronic diseases. A few examples are all the autoimmune diseases, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, obesity, and so much more. How do you know if your gut is healthy? Well, your belly is free from pain, for starters. You can expel regular formed bowel movements that pass easily. Your bowel movements should provide a sense of relief to your body. And you should ideally be having 1 to 4 bowel movements a day. You should not have any unpleasant symptoms like acid reflux, bloat, gas, constipation, or diarrhea. Of course, when the gut is out of balance due to factors like poor diet, stress, or illness, it can lead to a range of health problems like digestive issues all the way up to chronic diseases. How do you know if your gut is unhealthy? Some common signs of poor gut health are digestive issues, frequent acid reflux, bloating, gas, constipation, or diarrhea, food intolerances. Difficulty digesting certain foods can lead to symptoms like cramping or nausea. Skin problems, conditions like acne, eczema, or psoriasis can be linked to gut inflammation or a leaky gut. Frequent infections, a weakened immune system due to poor gut health can make you more prone to colds and infections. Autoimmune issues, this is where the body's immune system is attacking itself. Fatigue, chronic exhaustion can be a sign that your gut is not absorbing nutrients efficiently. An unhealthy gut microbiome known as dysbiosis can impact the mitochondria, often referred to as the battery packs of the cell. Conditions and disorders involving the gut are things like irritable bowel syndrome, anxiety and depression, chest pain that's not related to the heart, chronic stress, chronic fatigue, chronic pain, obesity, autoimmune disorders, and a whole lot more. Improving gut health is a journey that involves making dietary and lifestyle changes. We will discuss that more in future articles, but in the meanwhile, here are some simple things that can be done to support your gut. Chew your food. Research suggests chewing each bite 32 times is the sweet spot, but you don't have to count. Just chew the food until it is liquefied, and you can be certain that it is ready for the next step of digestion. Properly mixing your food with saliva helps it break down better at the next step in your stomach. Eat a diverse diet. Usually I would say that incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and fermented foods to support a healthy microbiome is extremely important, but this is assuming your body tolerates this well. For some, an elimination diet is a great place to start. If you suffer from a lot of gut symptoms like bloat, belching, acid reflux, gas, diarrhea, constipation, abdominal cramping, you may want to consider an elimination diet. There are actually 8 foods that cause 90% of the adverse reactions people have. These are wheat, milk and dairy, eggs, tree nuts, fish, shellfish, soy, and sesame. Of course, alcohol is known for damaging the gut. There are more extreme food elimination diets like the carnivore diet that can be considered for some people, as well as food sensitivity testing to figure out what you're sensitive to. However, many people find relief from just eliminating some or all of these main culprits that I listed. Stay hydrated. Water helps with digestion and keeps things moving through your GI tract. There is a lot of discussion about whether water should be drunk with or without food. I recommend doing what feels right for your body. If drinking water with foods causes you symptoms, then drink it away from meals. Manage your stress. Chronic stress can negatively impact gut health, so it's essential to find ways to relax and unwind. Tried and true ways are prayer and meditation, taking a relaxing walk after meals, spending time with friends and family who you have a good time with. Get enough sleep. Of course, quality sleep is crucial for overall health, including gut health. Consider adding in some digestive enzymes. If you suffer from these symptoms like bloat, gas, belching, diarrhea, oily stools, unexplained weight loss, abdominal cramping, especially after eating, nausea or vomiting, heartburn, loss of appetite, or fatigue, enzymes I personally use and recommend are linked in the description below. So your gut is foundational to your overall well-being. By starting your healing with your gut, you are setting your body up to be in a good position to heal other issues. In the coming weeks, we're going to be diving deep into what can go wrong with the gut, why this matters, and how to fix your gut so you can set yourself up for optimal health.